Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Otter.ai for meeting notes and action items, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.otter.ai. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will arrive at the Otter.ai homepage. Look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. You will see a pop-up window with several login options. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. Press the Login button after entering your credentials. Alternatively, you can log in using your Google or Apple account. If you prefer this option, click on the respective button. Follow the prompts to log in with your Google or Apple credentials. Once successfully logged in, you will be redirected to your Otter.ai dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To start taking meeting notes, click on the Record button. Ensure your microphone is enabled for the best audio quality. If you need to import notes from a previous meeting, click on the Import option. Choose the file from your device that you want to upload. Wait for the upload to complete before proceeding. After recording or importing, you can review the notes and action items. Feel free to edit any part of the text as necessary. Once you are satisfied with your notes, you can share them directly. Click on the Share button to send the notes to your team. You have now successfully logged in and navigated Otter.ai for your meeting notes and action items. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.